Welcome to SalesPlay. In this video, I'll walk you through how to register your SalesPlay account right from the POS app. Let's get started. On your POS device, open the Play Store and search for SalesPlay POS. Download and install the app, and once it's done, tap to open it. When you open the app, you'll see two options: registration and sign in. The registration and sign in page also displays the app version, starting with V. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. Since we're creating a new account, let's tap on registration. Now fill in your details, enter your valid email address, and create a secure password. Next, choose your business type, for example, retail, restaurant, cafe, or any other that matches your business. Then select your country. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Submit. You'll now see a message saying a confirmation email has been sent to your inbox. Tap OK to continue. Remember to check your email and verify your account to complete registration. As a new user, you'll see a quick guide. It gives you a short overview of SalesPlay's main features and how to use them. Take a minute to go through it, then tap Next. Now you can customize how your POS looks. Pick your preferred home screen layout and screen orientation. Don't worry, you can always change this later from settings. Once you're happy with it, tap Save. That's it. You'll now be redirected to the new sale page. From here, you can start selling right away by adding products. Before you move forward, make sure you verify your email. It's a quick step, but really important to secure your account and make sure everything works properly. By the way, you can also register using the SalesPlay back office web portal. Just visit www.salesplay.com, click Get Started, fill out the same registration form, and submit. It's the same simple process as on the app. Now, open the SalesPlay POS app. When the app opens, you'll see two options: registration and sign in. Since we already have an account, tap on Sign In. Enter the email address and password you used during registration, then tap Sign In. Next, you'll see the shop name dropdown and the POS device dropdown. Select the correct shop and device name, then tap Continue. Please wait while the system loads all required data. That's it. You'll now be redirected to the new sale page. From here, you can start selling right away by adding products. Watch our SalesPlay POS, sign in, add devices, replace devices, and sign out guide for more advanced sign-in details. Happy selling!